properties registered under the name of Chief Justice Renato Corona, Your Honor.
With the permission of the presiding officer, may I ask from counsel, at least that we know where we're headed towards, from this witness, anong nais niyong patunayan? Ilan na may iiwan dun sa 21 na nga lang, di ba? 21?
Tama po yun, tama po yun.
Opo.
Ilan na may iwan? Based on this witness's records, ilan?
Out of the 45, Your Honor, if I may,
Yes,
there
please.
are 17 canceled titles.
So that makes it 28?
And out of the remaining 28, the titles registered under Maria Cristina R. Corona married to Renato Corona, or Renato Corona married to Cristina Corona, Your Honor, would only be around, would be 17, Your Honor.
17.
17, Your Honor. And there are additional documents here, Your Honor, particularly the originating titles of the Villaggio properties, which are still included, but they are already canceled. Those are 4 titles, Your Honor. That would give us the remaining 13.
Mm-hmm.
And if we exclude as well the Marikina properties, Your Honor, which should be 7 titles,
7.
Your Honor.
That makes it 6.
That makes it 6 titles, Your Honor.
5 are listed in the salad.
In this list, Your Honor, and that is 6, Your Honor, because there is a big lot that has actually 2 titles, Your Honor. And as far as the salin of the Chief Justice, Your Honor, is concerned, there are 5 lots there, Your Honor, listed, Your Honor.
Mr. President, to save the time of the court, can we ask that perhaps as you dwindle down the list, perhaps it can be made a subject matter of admissions on the part of both counsels if they can meet outside of the court so that you will only prove the remainder? If that is possible, Mr. President, Your Honor, to save on the time of the court.
That will be acceptable to this representation, Your
Would
Honor.
the 2 panels agree to meet and trace out the figures?
Yes, Your Honor.
Para yung balanse na lang, Mr. President, ang ipresenta nila dito.
Oh.
Tama po yun.
Oh.
We appreciate the suggestion, Your Honor, and we gladly agree to that.
All right. Then you do it when do you want to do it? Tomorrow?
Bukas.
In the morning?
Tomorrow, Your Honor.
Tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning.
In that case, Your Honor, may we move for continuance, Your Honor, so that we can confer with counsel, Your Honor.
All right.
What other questions you want to ask from this witness? Baka pwede stipulate din natin yan.
Will the good counsel also stipulate that there are listings here of under the names of other people not known to the witness, and that the witness also does not know whether they are related to the Chief Justice and his family?
The best evidence would be the documents. If there are names there not related to the Chief Justice, then that's it.
Precisely, I want to draw that out from the witness if he knows whether in his preparation of this list of documents, Your Honor, he was able to verify or examine whether these names are either related or had anything to do with Chief Justice, Your Honor, and his family. Because apparently, Your Honor, the request was limited only to the properties or titles under the names of the Chief Justice and his family. And it appears from this list that there are actually people or names included, Your Honor.
Then maybe you can
That would be
agree
part of
on
the examination and agreement, Your Honor, between counsel.
that. Yes. The gentleman from San Juan.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I would just like to propound some questions to the witness, Mr.
Yes,
President.
please.
Mr. Witness, may I ask how did you come up with the list of the 45 properties?
Computer search, Your Honor.
Only computer search. Kasi base sa tinatanong ng defense at sinasang-ayunan ng prosecution ay nabawasan na ito ng 28. Ang panig naman ng prosecution ay 21 na lang at gustong patunayan pa rin ng defense na mas mababa pa sa bilang ng 21. Ngayon, nung nirelease niyo po ang listahan upon request ni Congressman Tupas nung tumawag sa inyo, yun ba i-double check ninyo bago niyo binigay kay Congressman Tupas?
Ito hong mga dokumentong to.
Yes, yung 45 alleged properties ni Chief Justice Corona.
These are what we call documents, Your Honor, that can be studied further because...
No, what I'm asking you, did you not verify or authenticate the properties that belong to the respondent, Chief Justice Corona?
We don't normally, sir, certify that title belongs to a person because what we do is we issue a certified copy and from there it can be inferred, Your Honor, who is the owner.
Kasi meron dito sa number 44, sa TCT number 84241, it is in the name of Ismael A. Matay Jr. And I don't think he has any relation with the respondent. Bakit nailista ito? Meron pang sa National Housing Authority, number 33, TCT number RT 106747. Anong kinalaman ni mag-asawang Corona rito?
Your Honor, the TCT number 84214 is a cancelled document and ang traceback ko nito comes from Constantino Castillo Jr. and Angelino T. Castillo.
Okay, bakit
which is
nasa
a name
pangalan
search
ni
po.
Ismael Matay Jr.?
Sa kanya ho nanggaling yung property
Okay, binili
ni Constantino Castillo po.
kay Ismael Matay.
Apo.
Alright. What about this National Housing Authority? Bakit nasa pangalan ng National Housing
National
Authority?
Housing Authority. Name search po is Constantino Castillo po. Traceback ho nito galing sa Constantino del Castillo which is a namesake po nung isa sa mga subject search po.
Kasi before you issue a letter, submit a letter or the alleged number of titles of a person, you have to be sure
Yes, sir.
next time around. I don't know if you did this intentionally or out of negligence or what. Kasi pinagyayabang ng prosecution na the respondent owns 45 properties. Well, in fact, ngayon sinasabi nila 21. Ngayon gusto pang patunayan nung depensa na less than 21 yung properties. Siguro next time, before you issue a corresponding letter, siguraduhin nyo na talagang totoong pagmamay-ari na kung sino man yan. Kung si Chief Justice Corona, sana siguraduhin ninyo na pagmamay-ari ni Chief Justice Corona yan. Hindi pati yung cancel titles, ilalagay nyo rito sa sulat ninyo. Kaya tuloy, yung perception ng taong bayan, ang perception ko dito, marami pala lupa o ari-arian itong respondent na ito. Ngayon at pinatunayan na ng prosecution na hindi pala 45 properties, ina-admit na nila, hindi 45 properties nila. Bumababa yung pagmamayari ng properties ni Chief Justice Corona. So I advise you, next time around, kung meron mag-request sa inyo, siguraduhin ninyo na tama yung sinusulat ninyo, tama yung mga nilalagay yung mga properties dito sa mga sulat ninyo.
I submit, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you the classmate of the President?
Not in all the years, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
Not in all the years, Your Honor. Batchmate po,
Not
yes.
in all the years.
Yes.
Where were your classmates?
I can no longer remember, Your Honor.
You can no longer
Except
remember.
grade
But he was
7,
your classmate.
In grade 7, Your Honor.
In grade school, not in high school.
Kindergarten. I cannot recall, Your Honor, in all honesty.
Okay. What school?
Ateneo, Your Honor.
Ateneo. Okay. Since you're from the Ateneo, I will not ask any further questions.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The gentleman from Makati in Bicol.
Thank you, Mr. President. You know, I am bothered by this aspect of the proceedings. The cavalier attitude of the administrator and the prosecution in treating this aspect. In your letter, Mr. Witness, to Congressman Tupas, you said that in the name of Renato Corona et al., all right, items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 25 and 28. A total of 24 bears the name of Cristina Corona and Renato Corona. The rest, from item number 23, or item number 24, to number 45, excluding those that I mentioned, are not in the name of Renato Corona and Cristina Corona. So my question is, why did you write this kind of letter? You know that this is an impeachment case. You earlier said that this is an impeachment case. And in fact, you addressed the letter to the chief prosecutor. Now, this is a very serious case. You practically charged the Chief Justice and his wife of owning 45 properties. Now, how come you did that? I'm talking in fairness principle, nothing law. It has nothing to do with the law. It's just something about fairness. Could you please explain?
Yes, Your Honor. When I was requested for copies of documents that will point or have any relations to the actual properties of the Chief Justice and family, Your Honor, I was the impression that they would need materials and tracebacks where the property emanates from. And so based on the capability of the computer that we are using, Your Honor, we just punch in the names of the people that were requested from us to do the search, Your Honor. And these are the family of the Chief Justice. And what we have, Your Honor, is a database, a data warehousing, wherein you only punch the keywords and everything else, Your Honor, is computer generated. So,
all right, let me stop. Item 24. The name is Vicente Rocco Jr., married to Asuncion Basa. Now, how can you say that you punch a computer, then the name of Renato Corona and Cristina Corona will appear?
the traceback, Your Honor.
No, wait, so that we don't go around. Item 26. Spouses Rodel V. Rivera and Amelia E. Rivera. Item 27. Erlinda S. Castillo. Item 29. Maria Carla C. Castillo, married to Constantino T. Castillo. Item 30.